안녕! Today I'm going to make Korean students' favorite dish, 소떡 소떡. 소떡 is an acronym of two words, 소시지, sausage, and 떡, rice cake. The two are the main ingredients of this mouth-watering menu, and you can usually get these skewers at rest areas in Korean highways. You need 5 sticks, 15 가래떡. 가래떡 is a particular type of rice cake that you can get at any H Mart near you. And 10 Vienna sausages, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of ground garlic, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a half tablespoon of gochujang, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of grain syrup such as 쌀물엿 or corn syrup. You also need some cooking oil. First, prepare the ingredients. If your 가래떡 is squishy, you can use it right away, but if yours is hard like mine after being put in the freezer, you have to melt it and put it in boiling water for around 1 minute. Also, you can wash away carcinogens away from Vienna sausages by putting them in boiling water for just around 30 seconds. Next, place the ingredients on a stick. And don't forget to put some oil on your hands before this because the rice cake is really sticky. First, put the rice cake, then sausage, then rice cake again, and then back to sausages, and so on and so forth. Just remember to put the rice cakes on both ends of the skewer to make sure the ingredients don't slip off. Thirdly, we have to fry the skewers. You can use the fryer, but if you want to make a healthier version, you can just use a frying pan as well, like I did. Just put them in boiling oil and fry both sides. Fourth, we have to make a sauce. Heat up the pan, put some olive oil, and fry 1 teaspoon of ground garlic. Smells amazing, doesn't it? Garlic and olive oil is my favorite smell in the world. Now, turn down the fire and add ketchup, gochujang, soy sauce, and grain syrup in order. Next, now that you have all the ingredients cooked, you only have to put the sauce onto your skewers. Lastly, you mince some pine nut and put them on top of your so떡. Today we made sausage and rice cake skewers called so떡. If you follow the recipe well, you'll be able to have a much healthier version of so떡 than the ones that you can get at rest areas in Korea. Now dig in, and I hope you enjoyed our video today, and I would appreciate if you could like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. 안녕.